my bike. It's a redline proline Pro. Pretty nice. Yeah, right, you know. The 20-inch race bike, probably 23 pounds or so. THE Racing number plate, monster symbol off the cans, of course. Number 8, got Promax brakes on it. Work good. Lock up, good. Redline end caps. Odyssey Akin tire front. Haro multi-surface rear. Rims, black rims, racing rims, they're pretty nice. 44 valve caps. Special bike, man. It's upside down. Pads. New seat I put on there. Seat post. 44 tooth in the front, 13 in the back. Brand new pedals I slapped on now. New chain. New brake pads. With them caps. I got a heavy duty in the back. Oh, that's my bike. Proline.